What I have here is an outdoor air damper. I'm reading an analog output from a controller, and I know it's a 2 to 10 volt actuator. So you can see that it's reading 20%. Now I can go to the advanced tab up here, and you can see that it's also reading 20%. But what I'm going to show you here is if I go to this controller, it's a 2 to 10 volt actuator. There's 255 steps that I can have on this analog output. And since it's 2 volts minimum, that's 51 of 255, which ends up being 20%. So that's what's shown up in IntelliFront. In this controller, I can just select backnet scaling enable to yes, and it's automatically going to change this on here. You can see where it went to 0. But if you didn't have that ability, then inside of IntelliFront, underneath the advanced tab, you can go to this curve convert, and you can hit this little drop down arrow and go to reset signal. Just hit save here. I've been finding that's easier to edit, so if I go up here to the I button instead of trying to edit it there, I can go down, find that tag here for the curve convert, and then I can convert it here. So we know that 20% to 100% is going to be 0 to 100%. So if I hit apply, and you can see here it's still saying 20, but what it's waiting for is a signal change. So if I just change this to 3 volts, and then I go back to 2 volts, and I go back to IntelliFront, you can see that now it's at 0%. So that's multiple ways you can do it. If you're using ASI controls and you have that ability right within the controller, and other controllers may have the same thing, but that's how you do it with IntelliFront.